Hey, what's up, my YouTubers? This is your cameraman, Daniel Drepsky, here for another video of the construction. I think one of the trucks left earlier. Now we only see this one doing it. And previously was on the other videos, there used to be a bulldozer. The second one, yeah, the yellow one. That's recently gone. Still today, January 11th, 2023. Working hard for this project, yep. I can't wait for this thing to finish. Let's hope it's not going to be every day. But it seems like they've been doing it for nearly a week and a half. Almost near nighttime. It's about 4:45 at night. They're still working on it. There's only one person doing it. Here comes the group. People passing by, that's why I have to do that anyway. Long as they mind their business, I mind my business. That's my motto. At least we're in the middle of January, and we're almost out of early January to move on to the second leg of winter. That means going to the second leg very soon, by January 20th. We'll be out of early winter. Boy, this winter's been so warm lately this year. Didn't have any frigid weathers, and we didn't have any big inches of snow. Thank God for that. Guess he's finished with it right now. Looks like he's leaving now. Looks like he's leaving. Let's hope he ain't, I don't know. Videotape him. Guess he's kicking the ground. Guess he's throwing rocks into the ground. Deep part of the ground. Picking up the combs. Yep. Construction combs, that's what they use on the parkway when they're doing like your construction. These were the combs they use when you're doing like the wiffle ball. When you play like baseball on there. It was good in those days. When I was in the gymnasium, when I was in school, they used to have that. I guess it's a pickup truck. Yep. I guess he's leaving for the night. Guess he's turning. Yep. He's heading straight. He went sailing away out of the area. So I hope you enjoyed this new update of the construction. I'll see you next time for more of the update videos. Please comment, subscribe, to ring the bell if you like any of the previous videos. Till then, see you next time and stay safe.